Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about the big winter storm and the severe weather. We're going to go to severe weather first. So today is New Year's Eve. So we're going to have a New Year's Eve forecast for the whole US today. But for now, we have to focus on this area here to tomorrow for extreme tornadoes and stuff. So be aware of that. Everybody needs to stay tuned for tomorrow. This is a significant tornado risk here. There could be a moderate risk tomorrow. A slight risk even includes Charlottetown, West Virginia, y'all. Even southern parts of Illinois. But if that moderate risk gets issued, buddy, boy, it's like it's gonna be up in this region here. I'm in a marginal risk. I am in a level 1 out of 5 severe weather tomorrow. So we could see thunderstorms in our neck of the woods too. And we also are in this tornado risk. Okay, Fayette County, my county, is also in a risk of seeing tornadoes tomorrow. So that's insane, but we are right there. So I'm in this risk too. So I might be on the lookout for a big outbreak tomorrow. So be aware of that one. Severe weather here includes several counties, but I don't know all those counties. I know all the cities that are in those counties. So there's Memphis, Tennessee, and the enhanced to potentially moderate. Birmingham, Arkansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, Huntsville, Alabama. And it does say right here, a moderate risk could be possible here, including strong tornadoes if later guidance shows. I think it's going to happen. So that's something to keep an eye on here. It's 2:37, and I am going Bob later. But this here is today's outlook, okay? This is what we're talking about, okay? This is the severe weather here. This is for New Year's Eve today. This is basically the New Year's Eve forecast. So let's get into the big part of the video. Is the New Year's Eve United States forecast. We will start out here out west for a little bit here. We got cold air out here, Arctic air here. But we are going towards this thing. This is a massive winter storm. Winter storm warning has been issued for parts of these areas. Temperature, snow could, when freezing rain, says for 4 to 7 inches of snow is expected. This is the whole United States New Year's forecast, and flash flood watches are issued here, and severe weather is also coming. Enhanced to moderate risk of that, and a moderate risk of flooding. So there's a big flood threat. There could be rain at inches to 3 to 4 inches of rain possible. This is areas in here. Big flood threat coming in. There's storms popping up. What? Look at that. There's storms popping up right here. Look at them things. They're just popping right there. Ain't that crazy? Oh, they're popping. There's some thunderstorms that are popping up. That's crazy, but yeah, Charleston right here. You're in a flood watch.
Alias investigations I had it made special.
So yeah, this is a. They should put strong thunderstorms on there too, because we're in a risk for potential tornadoes as well. My area is also included in a tornado threat. So a flash flood watch could be issued for that region too. Wow, Unitown is in. Ooh, no. Unitown's like going to get a lot of rain. Look at that. There it comes. But there's also another thing we got to watch out for. Extensive rainfall.
Too busy taking the clothes off.
You put your wedding ring back on.
But look at this. Unitown's in the risk here for tornadoes. See that? We're in that risk. Tornadoes. Yep, we're in that. And we're also in a thunderstorm wind risk. My area is also in the potential. So that's crazy, but that's true. I might see some severe weather tomorrow night. So that's interesting. So that's really, really interesting to see. And we just have a new outlook just a minute ago. So we'll check that out in a second. It didn't change yet. With the one night open. See, with the one night open. See, outlook didn't change much. Louis, look, there's parts of Kentucky in here. Bowling Green, Nashville, that's today. But it doesn't look interesting. Like, tomorrow looks... I'm gonna keep my phone stable today. See, that's tomorrow. See, let's go check out the Pivotal weather site. I don't want to see that part. There we go. We're gonna go to check out the specific outlooks on here, because I love it on here, man. This is one of my favorites to check out the weather on. This shows more detail. It shows counties in these. If it loads, this is what. So this is the actual. Yeah, we're gonna get more detail about this. Let's get the cities out of the way for a minute and start off with this. So this is a real detailed part of the video. So if you're in if you're in this region, you're in the level 1 out of 5. Includes me. But if you're in this yellow, like Charleston, be on the lookout. But the greatest threat will be in here. This big enhancer. And there's also room for a moderate risk here to happen. There's a lot of room for that to happen. It could happen right here. We don't know yet, but there's that slight marginal general up here in Pittsburgh. What that risk does cover up a little bit of parts of PA, like it's a sliver right there. Some parts of the Appalachians, a slight risk here, but there's our tornado threat here. So people in this area or in the level 1 out of 5, 2% chance of tornadoes in this area, also covers a little slip PA. But the greatest threats are going to be in that 5% chance and that 10% significant hatched area. This means a significant risk of tornadoes here in this area for today. This is a very significant area. Why is my phone so shaky? I hate it. Oh my gosh, I hate this phone. It's so shaky. Then we're going to go to the wind threat here. This is the wind. Oh, come on. That wind threat is right here. You could see that wind area right here is where it's likely here. You can see that area right here. That's where that 30% chance of winds could be upgraded to a 45% significant wind risk here. And there's that hail risk. It doesn't include Nashville. It does include Nashville. But the risks don't include... The winds include Cincinnati. Oh, my foot's really itchy. That's that hail risk. Areas in the brown is a 5% chance. Or 5% chance is lower. So areas that are in the 5 are Bowling Green, Chattanooga, Birmingham. How about Atlanta? You are in a slight risk. Oh my gosh, yes, you're in that tornado risk. And you're not in that hail risk at all, Atlanta. But you are in a slight risk once again. Today, you're not. Today, you're not. Nope. Tomorrow, you will definitely be in a slight risk. So that is tomorrow. See, there's the specific outlook. I know it didn't load. So day 1 categorical here. This is the outlook. This is the areas in risk here. But this is where the main concern is lying. Look at that. That is what it looks like on the Pivotal weather models. See that area? This is significant. Look at that. That is a real significant. Look how crazy that is. That's that tornado risk, okay? This is what we're going to read, okay? There's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms. Let's not zoom too far. There's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms from central Arkansas eastward into portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and northwest Georgia. Widespread thunderstorms are expected from the Arctic on New Year's Day. All severe weather hazards are possible in these areas, including large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Strong tornadoes are possible. A deep part of the tip or upper, but what we are concerned about is this bottom here. A higher end event is possible, including strong tornadoes. If later got us more robust, discrete convective over the warm sector, then we could see a moderate risk. So this means that could be bad. So we will have to update ourselves tomorrow morning for that to happen on New Year's Day. We're going to update ourselves on New Year's Day. That's that risk. That wind risk is also extreme. Could go up. That's that hail risk. That hail is going to extend here in areas like that. But the wind is extreme. Look at that. That's a 30% chance of wind gust. Same areas that got hit by the tornado, Mayfield tornado. Oh boy. Same areas are getting hit again. Mayfield, Illinois. No, Mayfield, Kentucky. Oh my gosh, yes, you're getting hit again. Yep, Mayfield, you're in this area, so be aware that you're in Tornado Alley once again. This is not good to see that you're in a risk of tornadoes once again. This ain't good at all, guys. Not good. They just had tornadoes a week ago. This ain't really good, so please help them recover from all these tornadoes. Please help these guys in these areas. See, there's that. I'm in a danger too, so that's not good either. When I'm in a danger and the gun under severe weather, look, a little part of see, the rest of Pennsylvania is clear, but look at this, the little part of Pennsylvania, you're in it. Yeah, from southwest Pennsylvania all the way down to New Orleans, Louisiana. This is a big area of severe weather going to happen. Very big area. And I think the tornado risk tomorrow is going to be upgraded to 30%. Very significant risk. I think there's going to be strong to violent wedge tornadoes in this area. So this is where things are going to happen. Things are going to occur. Okay? We're going to go to the models. We're going to go to the temperatures. This is what we took to see the temperatures. Look at that 90. Look at that 90s in here. Look at that, baby. That is just warm air. Look how warm it is. Look how warm that is. Yeah, that's warm. Look how warm it so that's why the severe weather is going to happen. Look, temperatures in the 70s. We're going to go to dew point.
Patricia Walker. She hired me to fix your door. Jesus.
Let's do forecast.
Sorry.
I'm bleeding here. Get away from
We're
me.
going to go to dew points later.
Call the goddamn ambulance.
Just look how much rain we're going to get from this storm. Okay?
I almost killed him. I left you a message.
Look how much rain we're going to get from this storm. Look how much rain. There's some areas in here you could see. Look at that. That's a lot of rain, buddy. That is just... Look how much rain you're going to get. That's crazy.
Listen to me.
There is also a 48-hour snowfall. Look how much snow some areas could see. Look at that. Look at that right in there. But look at these higher elevations. Look at the snow up here.
No, you won't.
6-hour ice.
You're relentless.
There's some ice possible in this area. A little bit of ice. There's also an ice storm with this. Look how much. Oh my. Yeah, look at that. Look at that area of ice. There's places I could see a tenth of an inch of ice here, or over an inch of ice. Parts of Chicago up there could see some ice, but that's the greatest ice threat with the storm. But we are focused on this part of the storm as well. This is a very major winter storm, and the models are even showing something very cold coming in. Okay, 2 temperatures shaded. Here comes that Arctic air too. Look at that. That's the New Year's Eve forecast. Plus severe weather update. I'm not going to name it that, but look at the temperatures here. Negative 37. But look, the cold air reaches us in minutes. Look at that. Oh. Yes. That is where it's going to reach is at. Look how cold it's going to get. Temperatures in there could be running well below average for this time of year. See this whole area. A ridge tries to form, but this big trough levels off, but we're going to check out where that severe weather is going to occur, and I'm going to show you guys what's causing it, okay? You're going to see it real quick, okay? Okay? This is where the severe weather is going to occur, watch. See? This is January 1st. That severe weather is going to pop up right in these areas, like Mayfield and them. Boy, it's going to pop up. Look at that cold front. Then the severe weather goes here, and it causes lines of storms around here. But then watch this big trough of cold air. But a warm air tries to form, but look what takes over immediately. See, another risk of severe weather could happen here. Look at that. Look how cold it's going to get. That right there is where it's going to get cold. That's the model, right? That is right. That's the model run. Look at that. That is just the model run.
Bridge Street. Main Street. Hayden Drive.
And that's the Storm Prediction Center forecast, okay? That is just how it goes. That is way it goes.
Looking for something?
Motor.
I'm looking for
That.
Jack. What do you want with him?
See, that area right here is right there. So stay tuned, everybody, for another video coming out later this evening.
Transit, I'm looking into an accident.
There's that tornado risk here. Here it is. Thank you guys for watching. More updates and more details are coming in later this afternoon. Big tornado risk.